Hey guys, welcome back. Floyd is the only ROM which is based on Android 10, Samsung One UI 2.1, which makes it very special. In this video, I will show you how to install Floyd ROM on Samsung Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge. Let's try this ROM on my Galaxy S7 and we will see what we get in this ROM. If this is your first visit to my channel, please consider subscribing. Let's begin. Before we start, you need to have a rooted phone with TWRP recovery installed. If your phone is not rooted, I have a video to show you how to root. The link is in the description. Follow the instructions and when you're done, come back to this video. We need to download two zip files. Number 1, the ROM zip file. Then swipe to flash. Installation begins with Aroma installer. Agree to the terms. You can see the change logs. Going next. Select full wipe. I will skip EFS backup. Choose your boot animation. Click on next. No need to change anything in CSC options. Going next. I will take Edge screen features. S10 ringtones. You can select other features you need. Select emojis and fonts you like. Going next. I don't use Samsung Good Lock, so I will skip these apps. There are few more CSC features that you can select. Going next. Choose your Samsung apps to install. Then click on next to start the installation. Now the installation is complete. Let's reboot system. Remember, the first boot will take some time, so don't panic. Now the phone has booted up. This ROM is not pre-rooted, so if you need root access, you need to go to recovery mode again and flash Magisk zip file. Floyd ROM does not offer ROM controls or any customization features, but you do get Wi-Fi calling, screen recorder, Edge screen features even for regular S7, dark mode for wallpaper, and all other Android 10, Samsung One UI 2.1 features. Talking about performance, there is no lag, no heating issues while playing games. Battery performance is good. Benchmark score of this ROM is lesser than stock ROM. If you are looking for high performance, then this ROM might not be the one for you. But if you want to enjoy Android 10, Samsung One UI 2.1, then this ROM is your only choice right now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.